Hi guys, I'm Neil, your property consultant, and we are here at Lamore at Mikara Estate Tansa, introducing our newest project. So here's our newest project, introducing Lamore at Mikara Estate Tansa. So this property, this project offers a love promise. Ano ba tong love promise na tinatawag natin? So first one, okay, let's wait. To love for family. Not as usual condo na puro building lang sa Metro Manila. Etong project natin is kakaiba dahil marami siyang ma-offer na wala yung mga condo sa Metro Manila. So ito yon. Ito yung mga sinasabi ko. The love for community. So Lamore at Mikara Estate Tansa offers a lot of parks. Open space